Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. So today we'll fix the problem Wi-Fi button not showing in your Windows. So this is a common problem. If your Wi-Fi is not showing in your Windows or in settings in network and internet, today I will show you how to fix it. So first we have to confirm if the network adapters are working fine. To confirm it, go to Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here type ping space 127.1.1 and .1 and press enter. And after pressing this command, if you see the reply like this, it means your network adapter are working fine and you don't have a problem in your hardware. So after doing this, the next step you have to do is click on run, and here you have to type services.msc. You have to type this command and click on OK. Now from here you have to find W. You have to click W and you have to find LAN. You have to find that WLAN auto config. You'll find it here. Now from here, if it is set on stop, make sure you start it, and after starting it, click on properties and make startup type to automatic. Click on apply, click on OK and exit. Now in the next step, we need to reset the network. To do this, simply right click on Windows and click on run. Now this time type inet cpl.cpl and press OK. Now this tab will open internet properties. Now go to advanced. From here, go to click on restore advanced settings. Click on apply and click on OK. And from here, exit. Now we need to update the driver. To do this, simply right click on Windows and click on device manager. Now after reaching the device manager, you have to update your network adapters. In your network adapter, expand your network adapter, and after expanding it, find the Wi-Fi. So basically I have this MediaTek Wi-Fi. In your case, it may be Intel or any other. Now right click on it, and if it is disabled, enable it, and if it is not in update, click on update driver. For the first time, click on search automatically for driver. If it says the best driver for your device is already installed, click on update driver again, and this time click on browse my computer for driver. Click on let me pick from the list. Select from here, select the driver which you want to update it and click on next. So basically you have to do these two steps, and still if you do not get the Wi-Fi option here, so if still you don't get the Wi-Fi option, you have to follow the next step. This step is very effective. Simply right click on Windows and click on settings. From here, click on network and internet. Scroll down and click on advanced network settings. From advanced network settings, you have to click on network reset and reset your network. You'll click on reset your network. This will reinstall all your network adapters and reset it. So you have to follow this step and you will get the Wi-Fi option. If still you don't get it, you have to follow the next step. Now the next step is to reset the network through CMD. So go to Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on run as administrator. And after reaching the CMD, first copy the first command. I'll provide the command in the description. So for copy the first command and paste it there. Press enter. And after entering the first command, it will show you must restart the computer. We'll restart it later after entering the second command. Now copy the second command and paste it here and press enter. And after pressing enter, simply restart your PC. Just go and restart your PC. Now after doing the CMD, after entering the command and resetting it, still you don't get the Wi-Fi, Then the last step is to simply right click on Windows and click on run. This time type msconfig and press OK. Now this time system configuration tab will open. Click on services, then click on disable all, and then click on enable all, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. Now this time after doing it, you'll get the Wi-Fi option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.